Hello student. Today we'll start the next chapter, that is chapter 4, the Central Islamic land. The rise of Islam in Arabia, faith, community and politics. During 612 to 32, the Prophet Muhammad preached the worship of a single God, Allah, and the membership of a single community of believers is also known as Ummah. This was the origin of Islam. Muhammad was an Arab by language and culture and a merchant by profession. 6th century Arab culture was largely confined to the Arabian Peninsula and area of southern Syria and Mesopotamia. The Arabs were divided into tribes. Tribes means Kabila, each led by a chief who was chosen partly on the basis of his family connections but more of his personal courage, wisdom and generosity. Each tribe had its own god or goddess who was worshipped as an idol in a shrine. Many Arab tribes were nomadic. Nomadic वो लोग होते हैं जो एक जगह पर सेटल नहीं होते हैं, ये घूमते रहते हैं. मूविंग फ्रॉम ड्राई टू ग्रीन एरिया, ओएसिस. ओएसिस का मतलब होता है इन डेजर्ट वेयर वाटर इज फाउंड. दैट एरिया इज नोन एज ओएसिस. ऑफ द डेजर्ट इन सर्च ऑफ फूड, मेनली dates and fodder for their camels. Some settled in cities and practiced trade or agriculture. Muhammad's own tribe, Quraysh, lived in Mecca and controlled the main shrine there, a cube-like structure called Kaaba, in which idols were placed. Even tribes outside Mecca considered the Kaaba holy and installed their own idol at this shrine, making annual pilgrimage, means Hajj, to the shrine. Mecca was located on the crossroad of a trade route between Yemen and Syria, which further enhanced the city importance. The Meccan shrine was a sanctuary where violence was forbidden and protection given to all visitors. Pilgrimage and commerce gave the nomadic and settled tribes opportunities to communicate with one another and share their beliefs and custom. Although the polytheist Arabs were vaguely familiar with the notion of a supreme god, Allah. Possibly under the influence of the Jewish and Christian tribe living in their midst. Their attachment to idol and shrine was more immediate and stronger. Around 612, Muhammad declared himself to be the messenger of God, who had been commanded to preach that Allah alone should be worshipped. The worship involves simple rituals such as daily prayer and moral principle such as distributing alms means दान देना, and abstaining from theft, चोरी से बचना. Muhammad was to found a community of believers, ummah, bound by a common set of religious belief. The community would bear witness to the existence of the religion before God as well as before member of other religion. Community. Muhammad's message particularly appealed to those Meccan who felt deprived of the grain from trade and religion and were looking for a new community identity. Those who accepted the doctrine were called Muslim. They were promised salvation on the day of judgment and a share of the resources of the community while on earth. The Muslims soon faced considerable opposition from affluent Meccan who took offense to the rejection of their deity and found the new religion a threat to the status and prosperity of Mecca. In 622, Muhammad was forced to migrate with his follower to Medina. Muhammad's journey from Mecca was a turning point in the history of Islam, with the year of his arrival in Medina marking the beginning of the Muslim calendar.